update for you. I got everything cleaned out. I bet you didn't realize there was a Mustang underneath that whole pile of stuff. Yeah, that's Bob's car. He got that from his uncle. Funny story about this car. His uncle drove this car to his house. And me and Fob, our dumbasses, we took this thing all apart, put like the bolts and little baggies and everything. This had to be like 07 or 08. And yeah, here we are 15 years later, whatever it is, and half that shit is lost. So that was dumb. Don't do that. Just wait until you're ready before starting a project, before taking it all apart. This is the car. You can see I had a little bit of rust before that was fixed, and it's already starting to come back. So we got that down here. Nothing crazy. I've seen way worse. Certainly not perfect, but I'd like to replace the rockers. I'd like to find new quarter panels. If I got one guy that claims that he has them in the UK. I've kind of been playing cat and mouse with him for several months now, so we'll see if he actually comes through or not. Hopefully he does. If not, I believe we can make it happen without having to get brand new quarters. I don't think it's that far gone, but it would be nice. But yeah, see inside the frame rails. It's, for the most part, it's all still there. You know, it's nothing too crazy. See all that mud, all that Bondo on this thing. You can kind of see, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but like the lines of where he cut out before starting to come back. If I could, let me see if I could point this like that. So like right here, you'll see that outline of it. That's where it was cut before. And I'm not a body guy, but the body guys are always like, you know, rust is like cancer. You gotta get to the root of it or whatever. Otherwise it's just gonna continue to come back, and it's definitely true. I think I could Jimmy rig this trunk lease. Let's see if it still works. Damn it. Wait. Let me see how I get it. Hold up. Oh, there it is. Yep. It worked. You can see it's all gutted. There's a dash I mocked up a long time ago. None of the actual conversion is done. It's just propped up in there. But yeah, this is it. This is the car. Now I just gotta figure out how to get it out of here. When we put this thing in here, it was like me and 4 or 5 other people, and we He-Manned it up here by hand. And one of my friends that was helping us, his name's Alex. That kid almost got crushed to death helping us out. I'll never forget that right here. He was pinned between the wall and that car, and it was a fight to get it up there. So we got to figure out how to get it back down without killing anybody. So, yep, that's the update for now. So we got Eddie looking at the shell right now to get his opinion on what he thinks. He's actually got a really nice RX-7 that he did. It's a full rotisserie style restoration, kind of similar to what I want to do with this thing. So he's kind of getting up in there now and checking on things, seeing how bad it really is. Gonna go from there. So you can see what I'm talking about, where they cut that off and put all the mud, the Bondo shit.
Yeah.
That's why I was kind of thinking of like getting different quarter panels and just starting fresh, but I think that it could be saved. Like, I don't think it needs quarters. Like, obviously that's the right way to do it, but I don't think it needs them. But I don't know what you think.
Well, see the jewel, they know that bad. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They know that really bad. The only thing that they did is a job here that you just gotta fix it the right way, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, all that shit. I don't
But
fucking
over
know.
here, you ain't got shit.
Yeah, and like the rocker panels themselves, you can't see them because it's sitting down on it, but obviously it was jacked up there, so they're all boogered up on the bottom.
Yeah.
So I would want all that replaced. My biggest concern is that if we did try to save these quarter panels underneath of it, like that car outside, I don't want there to be no rust inside, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Beside that little corner, they're good.
Yeah, see, it's fucking rotted right there. Put your finger through that shit, yep. So I know that could be made, but, and the thing is the quarter panel, if I do get new quarter panels, it don't come with this. I don't think that they make that. I would have to find out if they make that panel or not.
Oh no.
But I know it can be made, you know, but yeah.
Yeah. You can find another car, we can take it off.
True. I mean, the problem is most of these cars are all rotted like that, you know?
Like that, yeah.
I'll have to find someone in California or something.
Something like that, yeah. But, yeah, I could, you don't have to change it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Please, because you can fucking do this. Somebody did it already, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this car was painted in 2013. So that didn't start happening until maybe 5 years ago. I saw it. So yeah.
Because they put this bundle, they don't.
Yeah, that's just like a temporary fix. It's supposed to look good. He doesn't know that I'm planning to keep this car for my whole life, you know? Yeah. So like you want to do it right where it's never gonna come back.
Yeah. Yep.
And then as far as getting this thing out, so now that you got a better look at it, what you think? We can get some ramps and like put them here, or they have to go further back? I'm not even really sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Because and then I feel like if we put the ramp there, once we start pulling it, I don't know what's gonna keep that ramp from falling. You know what I'm saying?
I mean the ramp that we put in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta put the ramp. We gotta put the
wedge it in there.
The ramp there.
Yeah.
And we just gotta fucking put screws.
Okay.
Screws.
Okay.
Tying it to
that makes sense.
No move, no go back.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Especially when you put it like this, behind here, you put a 2x4 together to make it not going down. You know what I mean? It gotta be like in the middle, because you see the way the floor is. We hear nothing in the middle.
Okay.
When we push it back, then the middle, you know.
And then this Mustang, we'll pull out.
Yeah, we gotta
pull this out. Oh, that's perfect.
Until it falls out.
All right, so what are you thinking, Ryan?
We gotta fucking hook this up somewhere in the back, and then hook up another one in the front. And
You need another strap to go across.
Yeah, in the front, yeah. You're gonna have to crawl back there and hook it up.
You're gonna have to crawl out there, Jordan.
Oh, me? Okay. Just hold the camera.
Yeah, hook it up. You see that ring in the back there? You can see where this is hooked up? You see where there's one like across the container there? Hook up a strap across that.
The one furthest back or the second
furthest back?
Okay.
Yeah. And then hook this up somewhere with the car.
Okay.
No, let me, I got another stand. I'll get another stand, and then I'll be right back. It's like one of the spin stands. Do you have one of those?
Yeah, you have one, but
Oh,
it's
yeah,
small.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, so you can get another one. Well, it's definitely not touching. Well, it is touching the frame right here.
Can he pull the chain a little more?
Can you try it? Don't die.
I don't really know which. I didn't. I can't tell. Which way would you go up?
You're going up.
That's not.
And then get that other one there. And once you do that, if you take these two out, it'll kick down, you know, and then you can just fucking.
Now we're going.
Wait, you're gonna run it under. Yeah, you gotta run it underneath the car, not the wood.
Come on, working with your brain.
That I forgot.
You're supposed to, yeah. Here you go.
He's actually not trying to die.
Yeah, I know. Explain that one.
Put pressure on it.
Damn, bro, that's not what you're trying to fucking do.
Trying to kill
What the
myself.
fuck? That's fine, bitch. Just fucking break the rest of them.
Which one? That's
These two, yeah, that one, yeah.
For us?
Yeah.
So sketchy.
He said, don't hit the jack.
I did hit the jack.
You hit the jack.
It's really low on that towel out there.
If it is touching the radiator support, it's barely touching. It's like
It looks like it's just on. I can't tell.
Looks like it's like a lip down there.
Yeah.
You need to get those bolts instead of that, John. That's true. So fucking snag them like though.
You think? What you don't think you think it's too much weight for the strap?
I
I
don't
don't
know.
think so. Because fucking they strap down cars all the time. This- Nah, dude, it's fucking. It's barely touching it. It's not. There's no weight on it. Yeah, look.
Alright.
Okay.
Exactly.
Like
Just like that, man. Yeah, something different, huh? Just leave it alone.
It's fucking out.
Wait.
Move your feet, watch your feet. Oh my God, I got another dash. Back it up.
You gotta lower the front. Here you go.
It's like, alright, leaving.
I'm out.
It's fucking nailed.
Yeah, fuck.
Oh my God.
So, you just break the strap or you lower it with the chain?
Oh, break the strap. Yeah, lower it down like that.
Fucking nuts, bro.
And then yeah, the winch on the trailer will rip this thing right out of here.
Yeah, it's not even on, like, resting on anything but the chain, so.
Yeah, you can lower it down. Well, you might have to like take the wood out more. It's safe now.
Damn.
The
What?
only thing I will say is the front support is It's,
I don't
it's
care.
creased up,
I don't care. We've already done
just like that.
that.
You can go see it, you can get it over.
No, it's fine. So, I guess I'll be the one to do it.
Look all you want.
But the thing is, look at the chain. It's fucking.
Should I lower down? It'll kick out once it's down now. You really gotta kick this piece of wood out right here.
Hey, we did it.
What the fuck? You got so
Right in the middle, bro.
It's not even
What the
funny.
fuck,
Holy
dude?
shit.
Holy.
That was pretty good reaction time. Thank you, though. Alright,
You know what's funny? You
Stay
were
tuned
making
for
it, I
more.
was like, yo, you should wait because he was under there. That's what I was gonna say, but I was like, ah, whatever.
Stay-
And I'm hoping to
Yeah, it all worked out.
Alright, make sure you like and subscribe.
I didn't die.
Well, it's on the ground now.
Oh,
That
man.
works.
Yeah, we'll just yank it out.
That looks fucking
But
shitty.
no, so the chain didn't hold it at all.
Well, yeah, the strap wasn't fucking holding it.
Maybe
The
this is
strap was
fucking
broke, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
like
can
lockdown.
fucking unlock that one.
Yeah. That fucking worked out.
Wow. That was crazy.
I thought you fucking died for a second. I was like, yo, you're dead.
That's all I heard.
Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I first thought it was just gonna be mangled.
Imagine I died from this car.
Yeah.
That'd be poetic.
You think I would like go to jail for that shit? Cause like I pulled the fucking road and you died from it.
It's all good, you know? Dude, we would have had to take his phone out of the woods. Yeah, I was Oh my gosh.
I don't think you would want to do though.
Yeah.
Maybe his
I
parents.
don't think I can leave the winch. I think I can fucking get my expedition in a rope and drag.
Yeah, but we'll get towed on one of the trailers and then just put it into the shop. It's supposed to be
Or you
dragging
can just
it.
drag it out and then lay the dolly on the outside because you have the gap.
Yeah, you could
drop
do that.
with the dolly, just drag it right to the dolly.
With the expedition.
With whatever, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Just lay the dolly right outside the container and then when you get to that point,
Is this thing recording? So hopefully it's in.
I need that clip.
I think it was recording. Yeah, it was. We got it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
I didn't pay for this.